Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility and powering both screens. Plug the correct cable into your computer and the second monitor. Use an adapter if needed. Once connected, power the monitor and select the right input on its menu. If you're on a laptop, make sure docking stations or USB-C ports provide video output. You do this now to eliminate connectivity issues before moving to software. The hardware foundation prevents most later headaches. You now open your operating system's display control panel to tell the computer how to use the new screen. On Windows, right-click the desktop and pick Display Settings. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences Displays. Choose Extend if you want extra desktop space or Duplicate to mirror. Adjust resolution, orientation, and drag the monitor icons to match physical placement. Once done, set which monitor is primary. This ensures menus and taskbars appear where you expect. You finish by applying settings and testing cursor and windows across screens. Open a few apps and drag them to confirm performance. If the second monitor shows no signal or flickers, make sure graphics drivers are current, update or reinstall them. Also test a different cable or another monitor input to isolate the problem. If nothing works, reboot the system and recheck adapter compatibility. This step-by-step narrowing usually resolves the remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.